This is the walk everyone takes before the actual walk. It's a 20 minutes walk with lots of nice views along the way. As you can see, at least one of us cannot wait to get to the actual hike. She has been outpacing me the whole time. Now we are on the official walkway. You can see that from the helmets we all have to wear. At this point, we were wondering what is so dangerous about this. Then came this. The original walkway was built in 1905 until 2015 when it was renovated. This walkway was called the most dangerous in the world. Several lives were lost in various accidents. There are several points in this route that will make you feel that we are so tiny, like we are nothing. I hope this is all recording, Mindy. That there is no...
This is the moment when I thought maybe for a bit we change roles. This is my favorite part of the route. You can see it from my face. None of the pictures I saw online do justice to how you actually feel when you are there.
As you can see, this hike changes between this peaceful scenic route and more adventurous. This was a good moment to take a break and take time to absorb all this. And then came the train. We were at the right place at the right time. This train line shows up like this many more times during the walk.
This is a beautiful train ride.
Yeah. don't want to walk for 10 kilometers, this train ride is your solution. And then it was time to go through the most exciting part of the walkway. It was hard to believe that we just came through that tiny walkway